Hello and welcome back to Tornado CS. In this video I will be showing you how to write a for loop. If you haven't already, please watch our last video on how to install and set up Eclipse, a coding software that we will be using in these videos. First, we need to reopen our class from last time, and to do that you can navigate on over to the left, open up your project, open up this folder, open the package, and double click on your class. If you don't have this library here, don't worry, I think that might be something on my side. Now that we have the class open, we can begin writing the for loop. A for loop is used to repeat a section of code for a set number of times and requires three things. The first is a control variable, which is the number at which the loop will begin. The variable can have any legal Java name and contain any integer value, but must be declared an int. So to write the header of the for loop, we will type for and then our control variable. I'm going to put int I equals 0, which says that I am declaring an object of type int with the name I and a value of 0. Make sure to put this semicolon here after your variable. The control variable can also be declared outside of the header like so, and then simply called to within the header, but I am just going to declare it inside the header. Next, we need a Boolean condition that will tell the loop when to terminate. The condition must involve the control variable for the loop and must return true or false. I'm going to put I is less than 10, which tells the loop to reiterate only if I is less than 10. Finally, we need an iteration statement that instructs the loop on what to do when the loop finishes. You can put this statement in the header or at the foot of your body. Either way will work. I'm going to put it in the header and say I++, or that I should be increased by 1 at the end of each iteration. As an example, here is how you would put it at the foot of the loop, just right here, just before the closing bracket. Now that we have the header for the loop built, we can fill in the body. There are a lot of things a for loop can do, but for this video, I'm just going to print out the value of our control variable. And to do so, we can simply type system.out.println I. Then save and run, and as you can see, it printed out the value of I starting at 0 and ending at 9. You may wonder why it didn't also print 10, and the reason is because after printing out 9, I was increased by 1, setting it equal to 10, which is not less than 10. The for loop flows like so. It begins here by reading our control variable. It then checks the Boolean condition, and if it evaluates to true, runs whatever we have here in the body of the for loop. Once it is done running the body, it runs our reiteration statement and returns to the control variable. When I was equal to 9, it was increased by 1, returned here. This I was now equal to 10, and since I is not less than 10, the loop terminated right here and exited. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all next time.